If you are looking for ways that you can get chips in Monopoly Poker, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get it. So first thing first, launch your Monopoly Poker application. Once you do so, make sure that you are logged into your specific Monopoly account. You will see a page like this. Now, once you're logged into your account, you will also see a chips button. If you tap on the plus icon on your top left-hand side, tap it, you will see chips. You can also buy some chips or Monopoly money. Now, if you want to get some chips for free, you will have to tap on this target button right here. And now you have to complete some missions if you would like to gain like 46k chips in a cash game. And likewise, in order to buy chips or get some chips, you will have to play a lot of games. You can also roll the dice on your bottom right hand side, which is completely free. And likewise, these are some ways that you can get chips in Monopoly Poker. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.